Renault R5 E-Tech Iconic 5150 Comfort Range is a modern electric vehicle that combines retro design with cutting-edge technology. Specifications: power, 150 horsepower, 110 kilowatts battery, 52 kilowatt-hours range. Up to 251 miles approximately, 403 kilometers, WLTP acceleration, 0-100 kilometers per hour, 8 seconds charging. AC 11 kilowatts, District of Columbia 80 kW technology and comfort, infotainment system. 10.1 inches touchscreen open R-Link with built-in Google Voice Assistants, Google Assistant and Virtual Assistant Renault Navigation, Google Maps with EV route planning connectivity. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support sound system, Arcamis climate control, dual zone with heated front seats and steering wheel interior. Eco-friendly materials from recycled textiles and synthetic leather, safety and driver assistance. Adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go lane keeping assist, automatic parking system, rear-view camera, emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic. Alert design and color options. Wheels, 18 inches chrono alloy wheels, body colors. Diamond black with red roof line, midnight blue with black roof and warm titanium line, Arctic white with black roof and red line, yellow pop with black roof and red line. Innovations: bidirectional charging, V2G, ability to feed energy back into the grid, charging indicator, illuminated number 5 on the hood while charging, ambient lighting. 48 interior color options. Renault R5 E-Tech Iconic 5150 Comfort Range is the perfect choice for those who want a stylish, eco-friendly, and tech-savvy city EV with a nostalgic retro vibe.